Hello, everybody. Smart Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is May the 15th, 2018 at 6:43 in the morning. I'm going to go get me a bite to eat, and then got to go to Lowe's Home Improvement Store to take back some hinges. I got the wrong size hinges, so I can replace the hinges in our kitchen cupboards. And then I'm gonna go meet the Banbury guys for a little lunch. And unfortunately I have to go to a funeral home tonight. One of my co-workers, her daughter passed away. Gonna pay my respects to her tonight, but and then get ready for work Wednesday and Thursday. As you can tell, I'm on the Sena 10C, and yes, for those who have been following me, the wiring harness, I put another wiring harness on the Sena, and it works fine. So, ta-da! Thank you very much. So I got my Sena 10C back in functioning order. So I'm really glad about that. Which I didn't mind too much about the Sony Action Cam using that setup, but the audio was scratchy and stuff, and I would much rather use my Sena 10C. So here I be. And yes, they still got the roads all chewed up here. Hopefully they'll get those done fairly quick. I hate riding on this groove pavement. I hate it. I totally hate it, because the lines and everything, they steer the tires and make it feel like it's all squirrely and such as that, and I hate it. So I just don't like it. Don't like it at all. This weekend, weather permitting, we're going to go on another ride. The Middle Tennessee Geritol Riders Group. We're going to go on another ride. We're going to have another fella, Ken. My friend Ken. We're going to go to an unknown location. We're going to let him pick out the place instead of me trying to find out where to ride to, if the weather permits. The long range forecast, which you know how accurate they are, they're showing a 40% chance of rain. So we shall see if we get to ride or not. Ooh, bright light, bright light. Now up here is paved already. They already got this part done except for the turnoffs, to the side streets and all. Some they do, some they don't. Yeah, these are nice and paved and good right up here. See how smooth that be? Now that load's leaning. I don't know if you can see that or not. A little bit to the right. They might have worked on the turnoffs last night. They do the majority of their work on nights. It's because of less traffic. So we'll see how that goes. Want to do a shout out to Moose 3971 on his new acquisition of a new Harley. Congratulations, brother. Beautiful bike. I'm not sure exactly what I think it was, an ultra limited, but I'm not certain. If I'm right, I'll leave it alone. If not, I'll try to remember to put it in the comments to get the right model of that Harley. Beautiful color. congratulations to him. Well, alrighty. On that, I tell you what, though, I'm still jonesing for one of those new 2018 Gold Wings, the DCT. But I don't even know if I can even get my leg over it, so I don't know. And you know, for $27,000, I just can't justify getting in debt for that amount of money when Gandalf, my buddy here, he's doing a great job. So maybe later on down the line, it's one of those when I win the lottery. But they're really nice bikes. They had one at Sloan's. They had one at Sloan's, but I had it on the center stand and I couldn't swing my leg over it, so. And want anybody to, can you put this down for me? And that's all right. The guy told me there's going to have a demo riding days sometime. I've been watching their website and I haven't seen one yet, so I don't know. It'd probably be best not to ride one, because once I ride one and really love it, then I want to buy it. And I'm going to retire here in less than 3.5 years, and I don't know. Like I said, that's one of those when I win the lottery type things. Well, I thought my brakes sounded bad. As you can tell, I'm in no big rush, and he can go slow as he wants. One of the cool things about getting older, you don't get in a hurry for nothing unless you got to pee bad. Well, I guess that's about it for right now. Thought I'd turn the camera on and try it out again, and let you know I got the Sena back and functioning properly. So I guess that'll be it. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here on Sam Riley Parkway, creeping along. Gonna get a bite to eat at IHOP this morning. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.